I tried my best to save them because they didn't want to die. There was nothing in their lives where they said, I want to die. My name is Ivy Kennedy. I'm the director for the Women of the Dawn Counseling Center, and I live in North Central of Regina. Women of the Dawn is focusing on missing and murdered women. We're also focusing on substance abuse, and we want to educate our youth and say, you just have to say no to the fentanyl. I've lost my 2 grandchildren in the last 2 years to fentanyl, and that had a great impact on my personal life in our community. But the 2 particular children that I lost was, the first one was Megwen Sky Scales. She wanted to open up a nail shop. She had begun her business in my building, and she loved her 5 children. Throughout the years, I walked with her. I helped her raise her children. I know it was hard to be a mom and have 5 children without a father there, but I remember her being so, lively and happy and wanted to live. She didn't want to die. A man, a drug addict, came into her life, introduced her to crystal meth. And from that crystal meth, she graduated into the fentanyl a year before she passed away. My son, my grandson, Sheldon Jr., anyway, he was priceless. He was always so respectful and so positive. He wanted to go places and he wanted to see the world, and he thought he had a big talent, and he was writing songs, and that's what I'll always remember him. He would have, brought a lot of sunshine to someone's life, I know that. He had ordered some kind of anxiety pill called Xanax. There was fentanyl in the Xanax bars. So when he took them that night, he never woke up. And we can't continue to have, these children being buried every week. Our children today are being given poison, and they don't understand what's in that fentanyl. People are dying. And, it's been hard to talk about it. You just don't give up. Don't give up on your child or your friend or your partner. Don't give up. There's hope. There's help out there. All you have to do is ask. Don't give up on anybody. There's life.